So welcome back, guys. My name is Kelvin Adonis, and if you're new to this page or this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and most importantly, share because this video, many people are going through the same thing during this time when they are applying for the green card or the DV lottery. So, guys, on our first part, I showed you guys that the picture that I had uploaded was 116 kilobytes, which is below the 240 kilobyte requirement on the DV instruction. So, guys, how do we get rid of that error? That is what I'm about to show you guys. And remember, guys, we said that on the DV instruction, they are telling you that sometimes, sometimes the image may need to be compressed in order to be under the maximum file size. So the image that I had uploaded before, it was 116 kilobyte, 200 I mean 600 by 600 pixel, and also square. So we want to compress that image that we had before and see what happened. So compressing the image, you do not need to stress yourself if you are applying this on your PC or your laptop. It's just very simple. Just go and search for an image compressor. Let's see. So online image compressor, and let us see what will happen. So Optimizilla. So this is the website, or website where you can get to compress your photo. So remember, guys, that our image was 116 kilobytes. So we want to compress it even further so that we can try and submit and see what will happen. So let's choose this photo. This is the first photo that we used before we got an error. And the photo, guys, is 116 kilobytes, which is below the 240. I will keep on repeating that because most of us, if we look at everything else, is okay, but you're still getting an error. So the original size of our photo is 116 kilobytes. Remember, guys, do not interfere with the other dimension, and also, guys, do not go below 54 kilobytes. That is as per the instruction, unless I am wrong. So we want to compress this image in the region of 240 kilobytes to in the region of 54 kilobytes and 240 kilobytes, and then submit it and see whether our form will be accepted. So I'm just going to adjust this part here. If you come on this part where it tells you about the quality, if you increase or decrease, you can see if I decrease the quality to 52, it will tell you that you have compressed the image to 92%, and now you have 9 kilobytes. And remember, our original size was 116, but guys, 9 kilobytes is below the 54 kilobyte. So I'm going to on the quality area and then increase it to around 97 or 99, and let's see. And now we have compressed our image from 116 kilobytes to 102. Let's say apply, and then let us download image. So our image is 95.5 kilobytes. So after downloading, guys, what you do is go to the download area, and let us check for our photo that we've just compressed. The photo is this one here. So I'm going to extract, and now there is our image. So this image is now 95.3 kilobytes. So I'm going to transfer this photo to our desktop. So you can see that I also had another image that so I'm just going to replace it. And then we will go to our university list program, and this is our details. Yeah? This is the details that we had filled there. As you can see, now we are going to choose our photo from the desktop. Remember that the image we have just uploaded is 95.5 kilobytes, which I think is this one here. Now this one is the compressed file. 95, you can see it's 95. Or let's go to the property so that you guys can see clearly. So I have compressed so from 116 to 95.3 kilobytes. So remember guys, I've not interfered with the other dimension. I don't know, maybe you might be using another application and therefore you find yourself interfering with the other dimension. So guys, I have not interfered with the other dimension. I've only touched kilobyte size or the file size. So our image is 95.3 kilobytes. So let's choose this photo and then open. Then I'm just going to check whether all the details I have are correct. And yeah, I think that's it. And then let us click the button on continue and let's see what happens. You see, it has been accepted. So this is the issue with most of us, or this is the issue that most of us are facing. So guys, make sure that you compress your image or photo. So personally, I do not need to submit because I already have another one. So I'm just going to cancel. But guys, what I'm just trying to show you guys is the issue is on the photo side. So make sure you go and compress. And just like I've shown you guys, it's very easy to compress your image. And then if you submit, the submission will go through so that you can go to the second part. For those of you who are married, you will go to the second part and you give your submission and wait for May 7th. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Kelvin Adonis. If this was your first time here, or this was your first time watching our video, guys, make sure that you subscribe, you comment. If you have any question, you can still ask us on the comment section, and make sure guys you share. Remember guys, you're not the only one. If you are watching this video because you had this issue, there are so many people with the same issue. So make sure you share, make sure you like the video so that it can get many people as possible. And I'm sure and I'm prayerful and I'm praying for you that you will win or you will get selected come May 7th. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I just want to wish you all the best on your green card or the DV lottery application.